In this video I'm going to show you how to download Age of Empires 2 on PC. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Type in Age of Empires 2 on PC. And if we click on Steam, you can see you can buy it here for $32.99. But I know a cheaper way. If we type Age of Empires 2 on Google and we add G2A to it. G2A is the largest global marketplace for digital products, and on this website you can buy games for cheaper. And as you see here, we can buy Age of Empire 2 Definitive Edition for $13.33. Guys, this is literally a difference of $20. Now, how does G2A work? When you purchase the game, you'll get an email with all the steps what to do. And you also get an activation key to play this game on Steam. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. And then I want to thank you for watching and see you in the next video.